Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your existing account on Bitpanda. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in bitpanda.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Bitpanda website. Now click on the login button at the top right corner and this will take you into the login portal. Now from this page, just type in your credentials. Enter the email address that you have used while signing up for your account and then type in your account password underneath within the password box. You can then click on the login button and now you will be logged in to your Bitpanda account right away. And in case you have forgotten your password, you will be able to click on the forgot password option within the login portal, and by clicking on this you can reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on Bitpanda. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.